Well, hello there once again, Hector Davil here. Over the past few videos, we've been presenting the core elements, okay, the basics of the 3SMA system, and I reckon it's now time to, get down to business, okay, to drill down into the nitty-gritty of the system, as we are going to be shifting our attention into, triggering trades. Alright, like I say, it's time to get our hands dirty with actual trading. Now, whenever you are trading the 3SMA system, you may find two basic type of setups. Okay, there are two different type of setups you may find under the 3SMA system: swings and breakouts. Alright, now we are still trading in the direction of the trend. Okay, that means that we are still requiring a trend to be in place. Okay, a trend as per the three simple moving averages, right? However, in every trend we may find two most common type of setups, like I say, swings and breakouts, and that's exactly what we are going to be reviewing over the following videos. All right, now swings. Well, this is a typical swinging pattern. You are already familiar with it. Okay, if we have this is obviously an uptrend with the 30 moving average. Okay, the line in green above the 50 and the 50 above the 100. All of them parallel to each other, no crossovers, pointing in the same direction, etc., etc. Basically an uptrend. Well, a swinging formation would be the typical waving patterns. Okay, the typical waving price formation that we usually see on any trend. Okay, and as we've already established, we are going to be searching for our trading opportunities as price pulls back within the dynamic area of support and resistance. Okay, you are already familiar with this type of setup. All right, the other type of setup, the breakouts, is what I call, or present themselves whenever we see what I call an staircase formation. Okay, which basically means having price giving us a thrust in the direction of the trend, followed by a little bit of a congestion, sideways price action, yet another breakout and another thrust in the direction of the moving averages, another congestion area, okay, another sideways price action, yet another thrust, and so on and so forth. Okay, instead of getting swings and pullbacks, what we get is a rather vertical thrust, then again sideways price action, thrust, sideways price action, so on and so forth. Do you see why this resembles a staircase formation? That's why that's why I call this type of pattern. Okay, both of them are equally profitable. All right, both of them are equally valid, and what's more important, you will find both of them on any trending price action. In fact, you can find combinations of them. Okay, so you may find one swing with a typical pullback, then a swing and a congestion, then a swing and a pullback, and so on and so forth. So you can find combinations of both swings and breakouts within the same trend, and that's why I want to explain both approaches, so you are prepared, okay, you are ready to trade whichever you find, okay, whichever of the two type of setups you find on each consecutive wave, okay, on each consecutive swing. Please remember that either on swings or on breakouts, our goal is to profit from each consecutive push, consecutive push in the direction of the trend lines. Okay, we are not going to be looking to take just one trade per trend. As many swings as we get, well, that's how many trading opportunities we are going to try to profit from. Alright, okay folks, that's all for this video. This was just a quick introduction. Again, over the following videos we are going to be reviewing in detail the swinging setup and the breakout setup. Thanks.